Oh, that's what. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Bro, let me get this, dog. Let me get this, bro. Are you ready for this? Ooh. Oh.
Where does it end?
Okay. Oh. Oh. Let's go. We're about to get our pictures taken because we cute or whatever.
We're really cute. We're really cute.
Oh, I was like, what the heck? I thought it was a dog. I thought that was a dog. Is this a dog? I wanted it though. We're about to have a photo shoot and I'm waiting for Jen to do my makeup because I need to look matte and fleshed.
What you mean? You look perfect.
No, I got, like, I'm peeling. I got burned. I got burned in the center. Look at this girl, this girl look good, look at her. I mean, but does she ever not? Oh, come on. All right, I need you to guard Alex. I need you to put defense.
I'ma hold it.
I need you to hold it down. I need you to hold it down.
Hold it down.
I need you to lock it down. Lock it down. No. Lock it down, Albert, lock it. Oh. You would have made it if there was a net there.
Ready? Ready, baby? 1, 2. What up, though? Yeah. Oh!
Oh!
I thought I was proud of
Oh, hit that again, Gabe. Come on, hit it again. Oh.
Oh, okay. And beautiful. Oh, okay. Photos.
Why? You're the photographer. Because I look like an ugly person.
No, you don't. You look
You
beautiful.
don't. My hair is so frizzy.
This is my y'all. Listen, I'm a model this week. This is my second photo shoot of the week. You know, I'm here in Cali. I have to fly back tonight. Yeah, it's crazy, man. My life is a movie.
No, we're in Georgia.
Oh, okay.
Show them the trees.
I can't show you my photographer because she's so
famous.
She's
that
so
you can't.
exclusive.
Yeah, you can't
That
know
you
who
can't
she
you
is.
can't know who she is. You can only know her pictures.
Yeah, follow her page. It's gonna be
Yep.
linked below. That's the only way you can see
right
her
here.
pictures. The sun's going that way.
Damn, we're over here. We're over here. We're trekking. Look at this. It's uneven. The mountain is uneven. Sorry, y'all. That's it. That's a wrap. Now we gotta go fly back to Florida. You know, gotta make it back because I'm gonna be doing another photo shoot in Florida. So, can you guys see the moon? Look at the moon. You can see the moon like right there. Isn't that so cool? Oh my God. I gotta wash all these clothes because I'm freaking sweaty. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
I have my sauce. Wait, I want to make sure I have my sauce. Yep, I got it.
Thank you. Have a great night, guys.
Hello, ladies. Lady.
PC.
Dinner and a date.
I'm staying at my dad's today.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. All right, y'all. Right now we're at church camp. I'm trying to see if I can find everybody. There's buildings here, but I don't know where everybody is. I don't know if we should just start opening doors. All right, I see stuff in there. Where's everybody? Let me text Jake. I don't know where everybody is, Kev. They left us. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see. I see some neon green over there. Yo, guys, they're like doing art. Can y'all see? Hold on, let me put this filter. Can y'all see this? Yo, look at this. What is this? Hey, is this Madcap? Oh, yo, it is freaking. They definitely did it. Yo, this sun is beaming.
That's gonna overheat.
Oh yes, I'm already. Yo, is this Madcap? Did I come to the right place? Is this Madcap? Is this Madcap? I don't know what this is. Is this Madcap? Oh, wait. Hey, run this! Get this on camera. I got this on camera, boy. I'm about to be Murray out here, camera crew. One with you. Trojan! You're about to...
Oh, he quiet now. Oh, Sam, quiet now. Hey, keep that on camera. Sam, quiet now. We shut him down. Let's go. What happened? Sam, quiet now. Oh, yo, hug him real quick. Hey, let's go. There's only so much you can do. We got them down. We got the #1 defense in the end.
Hey, I don't know. It's only my third day out here.
Hey, run it back. Hey, we got the #1.
I'm gonna tell you what's about to happen. My man Brandon about to pick me off. I'm going long. One hand end zone. Game over.
How you feel the game went?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. We were down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We had the ball first, and we turned the ball over. I turned the ball over.
Adversity. Yeah, we had some adversity.
But we rose above that.
Yes, sir. Yep.
There was something in me that said I can do all things through Christ. Give me strength.
heard
But
about that,
I
too.
was messing up the game. Okay?
Philippians 3:17.
Yes.
No, 14.
4:13.
Yep.
Tim
4:13.
Tebow.
Yep, something like that.
But I looked at Sam down the field. I threw it. As soon as it hit somebody, I was like, oh, Sam got this. I never lost faith.
You know what
He had
really
it.
it was? We just got some really talented, hard-working,
time.
blue-collar players that are
Game
just
time.
here every day.
It was over.
I'll
It was
tell you,
over.
I'm the game winner.
Ball in the air.
Coach Marco was like, Brando, 20 yards down the field. Brando, I saw him. Okay? And it was it.
It was a wrap.
Finito.
That's what we call a wrap.
I'm trying to get an after-game report.
Hey man, it was
How
a
you
good
feel your
game.
team went?
It was a good game. You know, my teams played well. You know what I'm saying? Just needed to stop, but hey, next game we got it. We got it.
How did
You know,
how did the heat affect your teammates today?
The heat, I almost had a heat
Mr.
stroke.
Bush?
I felt like I was in the furnace with the three young boys. Hey, but the Lord was on our side. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't our game tonight, huh?
Let's see if I can surprise my family. Let's see if they're home. Oh, there's my baby. There's my baby. There's my baby. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Daddy. Oh my goodness. Oh my baby. Oh my goodness, my baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.